Hi students, this is Shanti ma'am. Question and answer. Textbook exercise. Lesson Air Part 5. The first question. So choose the best answer. Which of the following is true about oxygen? A. Completely burning gas. B. Partially burning gas. C. Doesn't support burning. D. Supports burning. Answer is supports burning. Second, aerated water contains A. Air, B. Oxygen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Nitrogen. Answer is carbon dioxide. Third question. Solvay process is a method to manufacture A. Lime water, B. Aerated water, C. Distilled water, D. Sodium carbonate. Answer is sodium carbonate. Fourth one. Carbon dioxide with water changes A. Blue litmus to red, B. Red litmus to blue, C. Blue litmus to yellow, D. Doesn't react with litmus. Answer is blue litmus to red. Which of the following is known as azot? Which of the following is known as azot? Oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, carbon dioxide. Answer is nitrogen. Nitrogen is otherwise called as azot. Fill in the blanks. Dash is called as vital life. Dash is called as vital life. Oxygen. Nitrogen is dash than air. Nitrogen is lighter than air. Dash is used to fertilizer. Dash is used to fertilizer. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is used to fertilizer. Dry ice used to refrigerant. Dry ice used to refrigerant. The process of conversion of iron into hydrated form of oxides is called rusting. The process of conversion of iron into hydrated form of oxides is called rusting. Match the following. Nitrogen, fertilizer. Oxygen, respiration in living animals. Carbon dioxide, fire extinguisher. Dry ice, refrigerator. Answer briefly. Mention the physical properties of oxygen. Physical properties of oxygen. First one. Oxygen is a colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. It is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Oxygen dissolves readily in cold water. List out the uses of nitrogen. Uses of nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is used as a refrigerant. It provides an inert atmosphere for conducting certain chemical reactions. It is used to prepare ammonia by Haber's process, which is then converted into fertilizers and nitric acid. It is used for inflating tires of vehicles. Third question. Write about the reaction of nitrogen with non-metals. Nitrogen reacts with non-metals like hydrogen, oxygen, etc. at high temperature to form their corresponding nitrogen compounds. Non-metal plus nitrogen gives nitrogen compound. Non-metal plus nitrogen under heating to produce nitrogen compound. Example, 3H2 plus N2 gives 2NH3. 3H2 means hydrogen, N2 nitrogen, NH3 ammonia. What is global warming? The increased greenhouse effect is caused due to increase in the air pollutants, and it results in the average increase of temperature of the atmosphere. This is called global warming. The increased greenhouse effect is caused due to increase in the air pollutants, and it results in the average increase of temperature of the atmosphere. This is called global warming. What is dry ice? What are its uses? Solid carbon dioxide, called dry ice, is used as a refrigerant. The gas is so cold that moisture in the air condenses on it, creating a dense fog, which is used in stage shows and movie effects. Answer in detail. What happens when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water? Write the equation for this reaction. When a limited amount of carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of insoluble calcium carbonate. See here, this is calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide to give calcium carbonate. CaCO3 means calcium carbonate and plus H2O, water. This is calcium hydroxide, carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate, water molecules. When an excess amount of carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it first turns milky, and the milkiness disappears due to the formation of soluble calcium hydrogen carbonate. Calcium hydrogen carbonate, CaHCO3 twice. Second question. Name the compounds produced when the following substances burn in oxygen. A. Carbon, B. Sulfur, C. Phosphorus, D. Magnesium, E. Iron, F. Sodium. See here, the carbon react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. The sulfur burn in oxygen to give sulfur dioxide. Phosphorus react with phosphorus trioxide and phosphorus pentoxide. And magnesium react with oxygen to give magnesium oxide. Iron react with oxygen, ferric oxide. Sodium react with sodium oxide. 3. How does carbon dioxide react with the following? Potassium, lime water, sodium hydroxide. Answer: potassium. Potassium combines with carbon dioxide to form potassium carbonate. For example, 4K. 4K means potassium react with 3 carbon dioxide to gives 2 potassium carbonate plus C. When a limited amount of carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to formation of insoluble calcium carbonate. This calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide to gives calcium carbonate plus water. Calcium carbonate plus water. Sodium hydroxide is base, is neutralized by carbon dioxide acids. The sodium hydroxide is base, carbon dioxide is acid. To form sodium carbonate salt, the NaOH sodium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide to give sodium carbonate plus water. Next, what are the effects of acid rain? How can we prevent them? Acid rain affects us in many ways. Some of the consequences are given below. It irritates eyes and skin of human beings. It inhibits germination and growth of seedlings. It changes the fertility of the soil, destroys plants and aquatic life. It causes the corrosion of many buildings, bridges, etc. Preventive measures. Acid rain and its effects can be controlled by the following ways: minimizing the usage of fossil fuel such as petrol, diesel, etc. Using CNG, compressed natural gas. Using non-conventional source of energy. Proper disposal of the industrial waste. That's all, student. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.